Hey friends, let's talk about summer car problems. Ever opened your car and felt like an oven inside? That's where this windshield cover for sun comes in. Reason 1. It blocks intense sunlight instantly. No more burning seats or steering wheels. Reason 2. Protects your dashboard from fading. Sun damage ruins interiors fast. This cover prevents that. Reason 3. Keeps your car cool and comfortable. You'll love stepping into a cooler car every time. It's super easy to install, just unfold and place. Fits most vehicles, so everyone can use it. No tools needed, no complicated setup at all. Lightweight and folds up small for easy storage. Take it anywhere, road trips, work, or daily errands. Durable material stands up to strong sunlight. No more cracked dashboards or faded seats. Save money on repairs and interior cleaning. It's a smart investment for every car owner. Stylish design looks great from the outside. No more ugly towels or makeshift covers. Perfect for families, commuters, and travelers alike. If you park outside, you need this cover. Even garage users benefit from extra protection. Don't let the sun ruin your car's interior. Easy to clean, just wipe down when needed. No special maintenance required at all. Great gift idea for new drivers or car lovers. Affordable way to upgrade your car experience. Thousands of happy customers love this product. Check out the reviews. People rave about the difference. Stop sweating and start enjoying your drives again. No more waiting for the AC to cool things down. Just remove the cover and you're good to go. Universal fit means you don't need to measure. Order online and get it delivered to your door. Simple, effective, and totally worth it. Don't risk sun damage. Protect your investment. Your car deserves the best care possible. This cover makes daily life so much easier. No more embarrassing sweaty seats for passengers. Keep your car looking and feeling fresh. Great for hot climates or sunny days anywhere. Even helps in winter by reducing frost buildup. One product, year-round protection for your car. Installation takes seconds, no hassle at all. Remove and store in your glove box easily. Reusable for years, built to last. Don't settle for cheap imitations or DIY fixes. This is the real deal for sun protection. Say goodbye to cracked leather and faded colors. Enjoy a cooler, more comfortable ride every day. Perfect for anyone who loves their car. Ideal for parents with kids or pet owners. No more hot buckles or seat belts. Protect your electronics and gadgets inside too. Sun heat can damage more than just seats. This cover shields everything inside your car. Easy to use, easy to love, trust me. Ready to make your summer drives better? Click the link and grab yours today. Don't wait until your car gets damaged. Act now and enjoy peace of mind. Share this with friends who need sun protection. Everyone deserves a cooler, safer car interior. Follow me for more smart car tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll help you pick the best accessories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Protect your ride, stay cool, and drive happy. See you in the next review. Happy driving, everyone.